to a certain sound. I'm dedicated to a certain feeling of just working and knocking shit out with the engineer, and you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? I recorded the whole Damn Near Love Me Now. Damn near recorded the whole shit in my house by myself. You feel me? And so, like, for me, dog, y'all gotta remember my work ethic. I'm trying to take it to the top this year. No one's gonna stop me. I want people to look at me and be like, that's the nigga that I gotta get my work ethic like. Like, this nigga right here, he's in the studio late when everybody's in the fucking club this year. You know, I'll be in the club if niggas paying me, but I ain't gonna be in the club just partying for no reason. I don't got no time for that shit. Niggas only getting older. I don't got no time for that shit. I'm trying to be so great, my nigga. I will be so great, nigga. You feel me? Because I'm gonna put in that extra work. I'm gonna make niggas see. And all the people out there who be doubting me and the little fuck niggas in my comments and shit, I don't be worried about none of y'all niggas. I just can't wait till the day so I can show you niggas what y'all niggas was hating on this whole time. And I feel like when that moment comes, it's crazy because I'm not even going to be rude to y'all niggas. I'm going to be very nice about it because what's understood ain't got to be said. Feel me? So, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep on fucking keep going. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to go in there. We'll try to come with the main melody of the song. You know what I'm saying? Go in there, try to come with the main melody. Clearly, you know, fit the topic in there. And then what we're gonna do from that point is take that song, take it from there. Maybe probably only do like the first verse, or maybe the hook. I don't know. Whatever comes first, whatever feels right. Cause you're never supposed to go into the song like, yo, I'm gonna just do this verse right now. Or I'm gonna do the hook first. You just go in there like whatever fits and whatever feels good and feels right with me is like what I'm gonna do. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't ever want to be like confined to having to do the hook or the verse first, because then you're just gonna screw yourself in the long run. Let it all just flow, and however it comes out. Songs don't need to have structure. They need to have a vibe. They need to feel good. You know, that's all people care about. When you're in the club, you don't care how long a song is. You just want it to feel good. You want it to feel right. You want it to feel the way you want it to feel. That's it. And I believe in my fans. I believe in the people who support me. And I believe that no matter what, like, especially now in this time, like, no matter what, as long as I put in a certain amount of work that oversees, or not even overseas, but like, if I put in a certain amount of work that just passes like if it passes anybody else's amount of work that they putting in, like it succeeds that. It's already further past it. Like, I have to put out music and put out so much work and put out so much quality music that people look at me and just like, yo, I cannot do what this nigga's doing. And like that's what I want to show niggas this year. Like, as far as, you know, just people in general, like, that's what I want to show people this year as far as, like, my music. Like I want people to feel like, yo, like, this kid is just not stopping. Like, this nigga's he's just not stopping. Like, I'm editing videos. Like, for y'all who don't know, like, I edit my videos. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I edit my videos. I direct my shit. You know what I mean? Like, I work with people. I work with Mid Jordan. I work with Zach Fax. Those are the only two other people I work with. And when they're not doing shit for me, I'm doing it for myself. So y'all gotta understand, like, my grind and the way I'm about to get to this shit this year, just to show y'all, like, nobody can outdo me in this shit. They gonna have to respect me as a top nigga, period.